Hi everybody, this is our anniversary project of the month. This one is the August 2024 and it's our 1-year anniversary. And I've already unboxed it. If you want to see the unboxing, then there's a link to the video that shows everything that you get in it and talks all about it. So go check that video out down below. So this is your little catalog, and then this is the wonderful, exciting thing that we were talking about. It is a stand for your projects. So you can use them for any painting project. We have them in sizes, so you can use them for big boards if you just want to lean something someplace and not mount it to a wall. This is so sturdy. They're so amazing. We love them. And we've included one free as a bonus for you guys for this project. And so I'm going to do this one right here. So it has the apples, pick your own, and it has this little arrow kind of thing that goes under pick your own. And we can get started. So I've already base coated in number 18. We'll get our leaf based, or our leaf greened up. We're going to use avocado, which is number 43. Make sure that I'm getting all the way to my edges. Just good to have that line right there. That's the one you're concerned with. Okay, I'm gonna hold that there. And we'll get this guy right here base coated. So this is gonna be number 79. Okay, so we're going to use number 51, and I'm just going to neutralize on my brush. And then we turn our apple somehow. Paint, when you're shading, is always going to go towards your edge, so you can fade it with just the tip of your with the back side of your brush, your bristles. Okay, and we'll turn it back the other way and uber neutralize some more. And then we're going to take out number 19. Kind of want to indicate like fresh apple, you know? Bring it right over and have it meet the dark. Yeah. And then what we do is we grab our spatter brush and we mix a little bit of the green with a little bit of the white. And we always test off. Okay, and then we'll do it with the dark. Okay, so let's get our letters done. 79 color. Okay, so if you want to, you can shade and highlight your lettering and do all that kind of stuff. If you go check out the other Project of the Month video, the pumpkin one, I do a fantastic thing with drywall tape. That would be really cute in the center of your lettering. I might just do it since I have it right here in my hand. So what you'll do to highlight is you're just gonna squiggle, wiggle, swirl up through the middle. And let's take a peeky peek. Not enough. So this is like a middle ombre. Okay, you can kind of see that. So maybe, let's see if we can do this. And see if it even shows. Oh yeah, that looks cool. I have a new toy. I haven't used it in a while. So we're using our stencil as a mask. And stippling, you could do any pattern you want on these. We have so many pattern stencils. Go to StudioR12.com and check it out. We have 7,000 something stencil titles, and then they all come in sizes, which makes it like 35,000 things to choose from. It's amazing how much stuff we have. That L needs a little bit more. Okay, I'm going to do that technique. Get in the middle of here. And then I'll do this texture. You could just have it carry over and bend, but I wanted it to be like straight. Okay, so that's done. And now we neutralize our brush and we go back into our 79. So these projects were intended to be multi-sided so you can paint on the backside, and we've got examples of different ways, and we've given you all the stencils that you need. So make sure go to StudioR12.com and you can see all of the past projects that we've done, so you can see like the quality that you're getting when you sign up for the project of the month. All right, so we're going to do the same thing. We're going to highlight straight through the middle of our lettering, but I need a smaller brush to do it. I'm not going to add texture to this one though. Okay, so we'll go right through the middle. Okay, I think that's excellent. Oh, that apple looks really cute. I like it. So we're going to use this drawer liner fabric. It might even be also a something that holds your rugs down. Okay, so that'll hold that, and then I want this to be lined up here. And now I'll tape my stencil down to my surface, stretch it out. All right, so now I'm going to shade the bottom of the lettering with number 51. Okay. Nice. So grab a little foam brush. If you wanted to make a border on your project, really wipe it out. Let that brush just cup the edge. Now, we need to have some shading around the outside. So we're going to go into 37, pick that up, and then let's go around. What a difference that makes. Can you see it? This is just like lost, and then this just becomes deeper. Okay, I think that made a big difference. All right, so then we talked about this in the other video, the other project of the month. We're playing around with some adhesives. We haven't nailed it down yet. So we're just gonna take a couple of pieces of tape. You could use glue, you could make it permanent. That's absolutely no problem. We're just trying to make it so that we can do the back and the front. We can take the cup off of the other project because it has its arm sticks out on the other side if you're painting the back side. So we're just trying to kind of play with some of that. All right, so get it where I want it. Okay, and if I was doing this for seasonal, like this doesn't have anything sticking out. If I was going to paint both sides of this, because we've got suggestions for both sides, if I was going to do that, then I would want to adhere something more permanently so that when I store it away, you also want to make sure that you varnish your seasonal projects, because when you put them in a tote or whatever, it's going to be something that gets banged up a little bit. So I think it's good to protect. All right, so here we go. One cute, adorable, fantastic apple project. I hope that you loved this project of the month. Make sure you check out more on our website, StudioR12.com, and make sure you like, subscribe, ring the bell, and we'll see you on the next video.